Hello guys! Ito, nag-fried rice na tayo dun sa ating beef tapa. Actually, yung tapa, yun yung steak, rib eye steak. So, para malambot at saka masarap. So, this is our fried rice sa ating beef tapa. Yan, para masarap. At meron pa rin ditong kalgaretang kambing. Ayan. Alright. So, this is our for dinner. Ayan, ay kalgareta ng kambing. Ayan, ang ating dinner. Plus, nag-harvest po tayo ng persimmon. Ayan, lalaki oh. Ayan, luto na ang ating kalderetang kambing, sinangag, at saka beef tapa. Alright, and also yung ating yung ating organic na persimmon. Thank you.